What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make money at Binomo for free. First of all, you go to tournament section, click tournament section and go daily free, read more, click here. Can you sign up for free? It's charge 0 rupees. As you can see, you are joined this tournament and click here. As you can see that 60 people get prize at Binomo this tournament section. You can grab 1 to 60 place. You can win prizes. First prize, second prize, you can see. Thanks for watching. See you next time.